My fuel pump went out. Now turn the other way. Go, other way, all the way. What's good, nieces and nephews? What's good, nieces and nephews? It's your boy Usway back in back again with another vlog. I am stranded. My car left me stranded. My car is out of commission. My fuel pump went out. And as y'all can see, it's sitting up on the street like this. I personally hate when my car is parked up on the street like that. I like it when it's literally like this. If you see like where my hand is, I like it when my car is like that. So we're finna move it while it's in neutral. But my car literally left me out. Like, I tried to start it and it didn't even work. Like, literally right now, I'm gonna literally show y'all what happens. I'm gonna literally show y'all. Look. This is literally what happens. Look, key in ignition. Hold on, let me wipe the lens. Key in ignition. This shit, you see? You see? You know, so pretty much my fuel pump went out, my mechanic told me, and now I'm gonna be carless for a few days. My part is coming in, it should be here Thursday, so we're just gonna see when that comes in. But other than that, I am homebound. Not happy about that, but at the end of the day, what can you do, right? So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna see y'all when we get...
Oh, come on.
Not that. Okay, so Kiara's gonna help me move this car because I need it to be moved. So the keys in ignition, I need you to go ahead, get in the car. So I need you to put your foot all the way on the brake, like hard too. So scooter, yeah. All the way in. Now put the car in neutral. Okay, now that the car is in neutral, I need you to... Are you able to roll down the window? Oh, you are. Okay. You're gonna wear down the battery. Now, turn the key off. Your foot's still on the brake, right? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna prop y'all up, guys. Watch this. I'm gonna prop y'all up. And this is without a tripod, by the way. Okay, y'all should see me. Y'all should see me. I'm right there, okay? I'm right there. All right, go on. Come on, bro. Yeah. This thing has no power steering, so what I need you to do... Alright, let go of the brake. Turn the wheel all the way. Go. Turn. Now. Keep going. Now turn the other way. Go. Other way. All the way. Come on. Yeah, get strong. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going all the way. There we go. Yeah, dude. Come on, be quiet. Hello. Okay. Now, this way.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing, just move my car into a better position.
What's wrong?
My fuel pump went out.
Hey there, how you doing, Mitch? Can you drive?
Okay, wait. Wait. Let's make sure that... Stop. Stop. Pull the brake. I want to make sure that, like, she's...
Oh, it's all right. How you know you're
thought y'all needed some help, man.
Straighten your wheel.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, man. Straighten your wheel. Just straighten your wheel.
Have a good one.
All right.
I'm trying to like get her to press on the brake. And I'm all right. So it's this way. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now stop. Now you're gonna straighten your wheel.
You straight?
Yes, sir. Let me look on this side. Let me
Look on that side.
All right.
Look at you driving. Boy, you sitting high on cotton. You sitting high on cotton. Lord have mercy.
All right. Stop here.
Yes.
Now put it in front. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Boy, look at no problem. Look at you. You know you're gonna be doing this in a minute, huh? No problem. How y'all doing?
Better than we were.
It's okay.
Right next to the curb. I like it right next to the curb. Thank you. No problem.
So when you gonna get your food?
It comes in Thursday.
And then who gonna put it on?
Sabina, I'm a helper.
Be good.
Yes, sir.
And that's the way you learn,
Yes, sir.
by helping.
Yes, sir. It's a blessing.
It really is, because he's a good dude.
Real good man.
And he don't charge you. He charge you little or nothing.
Little to nothing, and that's why I'm grateful.
I'm gonna let him do my brakes in a couple of weeks.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I'm gonna let him try my rollers and everything.
He gonna show you love.
I know it.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why he's doing it. I need love.